In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view subscriber profiles in MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by logging into your MailerLite account, which takes you directly to your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the option that says Subscribers. This opens your full list of contacts, giving you a bird's-eye view of everyone in your audience. You can scroll through this list to browse, or if you're looking for someone specific, use the search bar at the top to find them by name or email address. Once you've spotted the right person, simply click on their name or email to open their individual subscriber profile. Now that you're inside the profile, the first thing you'll see is their basic information: their name, email address, and the date they signed up. This is a great place to confirm who you're dealing with. Scroll down a bit and you'll find their group memberships, which show you which segments or lists they belong to. Just below that, you'll see any custom fields you've set up, like location or phone number, giving you richer context about that contact. The real power of the profile comes next with the activity history. Here, you can review how this subscriber has interacted with your campaigns. You'll see a log of which emails they've opened, along with timestamps, and you can check any link clicks they've made. This engagement data is incredibly useful for understanding their interest level and tailoring future messages. If you need to make changes, you can update their information directly on this page by clicking the Edit button. Some profiles also allow you to add internal notes, which is handy for keeping track of conversations or special preferences. Finally, double-check their subscriber status at the top of the profile. It will clearly show whether they are active, unsubscribed, or bounced, so you always know where you stand. And that's it. You've now learned how to access and manage complete subscriber information from a single profile page in MailerLite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.